Boiler soot blowing control. This is an example of sequential control logic being used in a thermal power plant control system. This diagram shows a typical soot blowing equipment which is being used in a thermal power plant. Boiler soot blowing control. Modern coal-fueled and heavy oil-fueled boilers are equipped with a large number of soot blowers for cleaning the heating surface in the furnace and the convection pass. The soot blowers are operated in groups. Each group has a predetermined operating sequence to obtain the most effective boiler cleaning operation. The soot blowing operation is typically centralized and executed from the central control room of the plant. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. The system has identical control logic for each type of blower. When a blower is placed into operation, the logic first checks the starting permissive, such as the availability of the blowing medium, it may be steam or air, and the power supply for the blower motor. Once operation is initiated, the logic opens the blowing valves, runs through the full blowing cycle in a preset time period, closes the blowing valves and shuts itself off. For sequential operation, each group can be started by the operator and the logic will operate each blower in the group according to the predetermined sequence. Provisions are made for the operator to skip a blower during a sequential operation, to stop a blower while the sequence is in progress, or to start the blowers individually. Although overall boiler cleaning requirements can often be predicted during the design stage, the actual slagging patterns that occur in practice and the resultant cleaning needs of the various sections of the boiler are very unpredictable. This is complicated further by variations in the characteristics of the fuel burned. This necessitates flexibility in blowing operation and frequency to meet the changing requirements of slagging pattern and fuel characteristics. The earliest soot blower control system hardware was of the electromechanical relay type, which was later replaced by solid-state logic elements. With the solid-state elements, the blowing routines could be changed by changing the wiring connections between the solid-state components. The control logic of state-of-the-art Soot blower control systems is implemented by digital computers that enable the operator to change the blowing sequence and blower grouping to suit the prevailing operating conditions. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.